In primetime news this evening, more land squabble. Prime Minister promises to name and shame House member allegedly operating free on government lands. The opposition responds. Betrayed. Golden Grove farmers tell their story after being evicted from lands. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the business day, sports commentary, E-Prime and weather. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our question this evening, do you believe Jamaica should close its borders to visitors from the United States? Give reasons for your answer.
You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica and tweet us at Television Jam.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.